Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the McFarlane Toys Manga Spawn. So let's start with the height. Manga Spawn stands around 8.5 inches tall. Kapag kasama yung very tip ng weapon, around 11.5 inches tall. Grabe yung tangkad niya. Size comparison natin siya with, compare natin yung size with Deadpool. This is the 6-inch Marvel Legends Retro Deadpool. So yan, ganyan lang siya kalaki si Deadpool. Pero ang laki ni ang laki ni Manga Spawn. This one is Omega Spawn. So mas malaki pa rin si Manga Spawn kay Omega Spawn. So here is face to face or head to head. Yan, ganyan. Okay. Mas malaki pa rin siya. So next review natin Manga Spawn. Omega Spawn. Right now, focus muna tayo kay Manga Spawn. So let's start with the armor itself or the overall aspect. Very nice mecha design. Ang ganda ng armor plates. What I like about McFarlane Toys, kasi sobrang ganda ng detailing ng mga armor panels. Ang daming nangyayari, very maximalist yung design. You have the spikes, you have the asymmetrical design of Spawn itself. Meron kang large shoulder armor dito sa kanyang left shoulder. You have the shield, mix of translucent parts and opaque parts, silver parts, painted parts, spiky armors, bulky foot armor, mecha design. Very nice. And you also have the cape, cloth cape siya. Tapos meron ka pang mga hydraulics dito sa likod. Super ganda ng ng Manga Spawn na to. And yan, meron din siyang kasamang generic na McFarlane Toys na base na merong Spawn logo. Okay, start tayo sa head. Yung head armor niya merong mix ng silver, tapos yung kanyang eyes, it's green. Tapos medyo flexible naman yung kanyang armor design dito. You have some sort of wing-like structure dito sa kanyang side ng ears. Then sa kanyang right shoulder armor, meron siyang mga spikes. Teka lang. Meron siyang spikes. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na spikes dito sa kanyang red shoulder armor. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, it's a very large skull na mecha design rin na skull, tapos pointed yung edges dito, and then meron siyang green na eyes with very nice edged tooth design. Tapos dito sa kanyang chest armor, yung crest ni Spawn or yung logo ni Spawn nandito, or yung trim nandito sa kanyang chest, and also a mix of mga hydraulics, screws, armor panels na nag-overlap. Tapos may mga cords pa sa kanyang neck. You have double skulls 1 and 2. Then meron din mga hydraulics dito sa kanyang waist. And then you also have the skull dito sa may groin area. And then sa kanyang legs naman, meron din nag-overlap na mga armor panels. Tapos meron din skulls dito sa kanyang knees. Very nice. Super cool. Ang ganda rin ng color combination. You have the blue armor. Siguro para siyang cobalt blue. Mas cobalt blue yung design, ay yung hue ng blue. Pero I think mas vibrant siya dito. Dito mas nagiging Prussian blue siya. And then sa red, hindi siya super vibrant. May konting marbling dito na nangyayari sa plastic. And para siyang maroon. Maroon yung red na plastic na ginamit nila. Okay. Kasi si Marvel Legends mas vibrant yung plastic niya ni Marvel Legends. And then iba rin yung mas vibrant itong part na to kaysa dito. Tapos asymmetrical yung foot design dito, very large bulky foot armor. And then super ganda ng gauntlets niya. So dito meron siyang spikes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na spikes. Then a very large sword na naka-extend dito sa kanyang gauntlet. And then you have the shield here. Natatanggal tong shield, you can remove it. And also itong mga knives, pwede rin matanggal yan. Tapos dito sa likod, you can attach the 3 weapons. Meron kang spear, some sort of axe, spear and sword na combination, parang axe. Tapos ito meron siyang sword naman, another sword. This one's parang ano eh, long blade. Okay. So that's the overall design. In terms of articulation, head can move up, down, rotate 360. Okay, no problem. Medyo matalas lang tong wing part na to. Shoulders can move, nasa ball joint naman siya. Can move independently. Hindi mo lang siya maaangat kasi nakaharang na tong shoulder armor. Okay. Back that far. Tapos naro-rotate na. Medyo matigas lang. Okay, 90 degrees. Tapos ball joint naman yung kamay. Ball joint nga ba? Oh, ball joint siya. Tapos pwede mo ma-rotate yung shield. Yung kanyang chest can move, can also twist. Okay, 360. I think 360 rin pwede. Hindi. Yes, pwede rin 360 abot siya. Tapos sa feet, can move out, down, kick. Sobrang konti lang ng kick. Ganito lang. Okay, tapos double jointed yung front kick yun pero kung ito-twist ko pwedeng umangat ng ganyan. Okay, tapos double jointed double jointed double jointed yung paa, tapos ball jointed yung double jointed yung knees, and then ball jointed yung paa, tapos wala siyang toe articulation. Dito naman sa kabila ganun din. Double jointed din yung knees. Pero laki ng ano dito. Laki ng foot armor with spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes per side. So 10 spikes in total. Meron pa ba sa likod? Wala na. Pero ang stig ng ng mecha design dito, ng mecha suit na ginawa nila for the manga Spawn. It's a very very cool addition sa inyong Spawn collection. So you have the spear. Gusto ko yung weapons niya dito, translucent green. You have the meron din pala logo ni Spawn dito sa kanyang shield. Yan, pwede nyo i-rotate, di ba? Tapos you have the long blades. Ang daming weapons ito. Kaya gusto ko tong design din ni Manga Spawn. So that's it mga momsir. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.